Hello everyone, how are you kids? I hope that you all are fine and fit and you all are staying at home and you all are enjoying the live sessions as well as video, as we have seen that you are doing your homework in a very beautiful and in a very positive manner. So I, Rukhsar Parveen, your science teacher, I am welcoming you all that in the science online classes. So I hope that you all have enjoyed the previous videos, and in the previous chapters we have discussed so many things. So today we are going to start a new chapter, and before starting that, what we will do? Yes, the sentence of the day. Basically, I would tell you that every day make a pledge to yourself. So today's pledge is, as we all know, somewhere inside all of us is the power to change the world. I repeat this sentence. Somewhere inside all of us is the power to change the world. So you also are having the power. Have you find out that you are power? Yes, you all are having the power to change this world in a very positive manner. But how you will do it? For this you have to learn it in a positive manner. So here I would like to tell you that in today's session we are going to start a new chapter. As you all know, previous chapter name was, yes, Fiber to Fabric. So it was over and we are coming back to the next topic, next chapter, that is sorting materials into groups. Sorting materials into groups. So what does it mean? First of all, we have to understand the chapter's title. Okay, because once you understand the chapter title, you will easily get to know that what we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so start. Sorting material into groups means, sorting means we have to differentiate. We have to take the things differently. Alag karna cheezon ko. That is sorting materials. Any things, we can say plastic, we can say glass, we can say steel. Different types of materials are present in our surrounding. Then we have to sorting these materials into groups. What does it mean? Just take few examples so that it would be clear to you. Okay, so just look at around us, everyone. Just look at around us. Yes, I can see table, I can see that window, I can see the curtain is there, I can see the fan is there, I can see the door is there, I can see this table, chair, bed is there, we can say the almirah is there. So as you can check around us, few objects which are around you. Yes, have you checked? The chair, we can say, we have seen the tables, doors. So these are what? इन सारी चीजों को हम क्या कहते हैं? They are objects. So you have seen that door is made up of which material? Wood. If I say that fan is made up of, you can say the different material like steel, and we can say iron. Okay, and if I'll say that you are having the pen in your hand, like marker I am having, this is made up of plastic. So basically if I say this is object, okay, so which material is made up of? This is made up of plastic material. So if I'll say that all the markers are made up of only only plastic, yes, no, we can say such may be made up of aluminium, different materials as well. So let's take few examples as well. Okay, so here I would like to show you that these are different types of bowl. Okay, this is made up of, this bowl is made up of glass. This is bowl, yes, this is bowl. And second, if I'll show you, this is bowl, yes, this bowl is also made up of, this is steel. So material is different but object is same, both are bowls. Now this is also bowl, yes, you can see this is also bowl. Is it made up of steel or glass? No, it is ceramic, basically china dish we are calling it. So here we can say that same type of object can be made up of different materials. Okay, so let's take another example. So if I'll show you if I'll show you, all these are markers. Okay, all these are markers. Okay, now tell me, is there any differences between these markers? Yes, few students are saying yes ma'am, few are black, like you can see this is this and this. These three markers are black in color, but this is green in color, this is blue in color, and this is red in color. Now I'll tell you, yes, I'll tell you the Harshit. Just Harshit, tell me, if I want to group all these markers, so how do I group all these markers? First of all, as we all know, they all are made up of plastic. So on the basis of plastic, मतलब मुझे plastic के basis पे इन्हें अलग नहीं करना है. So what I can do, I can sort all these markers on the basis of colors. So on the basis of color, like black color, I will separate, which means we can say sort. I have sorted these markers on the basis of colors. I'll keep aside. And then green color marker I'll sort and I'll make other group, and red color marker I'll make the group and I'll put it in a different way, and this is blue color, I'll put it in the different way. So here you have seen that all are markers, but on the basis of color we make the different groups. Okay, now I'll show you the another few examples. Okay, now you can see all these are, you can see these are plastic bottle. This is also plastic bottle. If I show you, this is also plastic bottle and this is also plastic bottle. So now what are the difference between these? All are plastic, which means materials are same of these object, but they are having different, like this is oil, this is oil. We can say these two on the basis of sanitizers, we can make a group of sanitizers. Okay, I'll keep aside. And this is on the basis of cleansing agent, I'll keep aside. So basically, now first of all, open your book. Now after these activities, we have to open our book, and where we have to open? We have to open page number A39. This one, beta. Page number A39. The name, as you all know, sorting materials into group, and in this paragraph it is very clearly written. You can see here, and I have written on the board as well. So what you can see, the object around us can be different shapes. The object can be different shapes. Object can be different in colors. Object can be different in materials. Object can be different in uses. On the basis of their uses, where we are using, we can categorize those objects. So on the basis of different shapes, we can say that all pens are made up of same kind of plastic, but they all are having different shapes. Like colors, I have shown you that all markers were looking at the look like all the similar shapes, but color was different, isn't it? Now different materials, markers can be different. Okay, and bottles, we can say, like bottles, you have seen plastic bottles, aluminium bottle, bronze bottle, steel bottles. So materials क्या है यहाँ पे different है, लेकिन object क्या है, एक ही है. Like I have shown you the bowl, all objects were bowl, but different in materials. So now it is written here, we can group objects on the basis of materials and uses as well. अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ, you are having your pouch with you. Yes, you must be having your pouch with you. You have seen that basically, if I'll show you that in my pouch, I am having the pencil, I am having this stapler. Okay, what else I am having? I am having the red pen. Okay, what else I am having? I am having this highlighter. So all these materials which is inside this pouch are having the same use? No. For example, for checking your notebooks, I'll use this red pen. For highlighting any spelling, so I'll use this thing. If I want to staple such things, so I'll use the stapler. So this pouch is containing lot of different groups of the materials. Okay, so basically why I have kept it this, for using all material in the different conditions. Okay, so this is the main reason that when and where we have to use our materials. So I hope it is clear, and everyone please open page number A39. Here these points, you can see these points I am reading, that we can group objects on the basis of their materials and uses. For example, edibles oil, which we can eat edible oils and ghee in one group. As you all know, in the previous chapter in the food, you have seen we have made the food groups, ठीक है, according to the nutrition they are giving. For example, carbohydrate nutrition are given by the rice, wheat. So we have categorized those food in different group. Okay, and similarly those who are giving the vitamins, so we have made the fruit and vegetable groups, isn't it? So on the basis of what we have categorized? On the basis of nutrient they were giving, we have categorized. Like in the chapter 1 we have categorized carnivores, omnivores and herbivores on the basis of eating habit, किस तरीके का वो खाना खाते हैं, उस basis पे we have categorized the organisms. So similarly here we are talking, second point is saying, please underline it beta, all kinds of fruit in one group. Similarly fruit को हम vegetable के साथ तो नहीं group करते, no. All kind of clothes are one group. हम vegetable और clothes को तो एक group में नहीं डालेंगे, definitely not. All kinds of metals in one group, okay. All kinds of soaps in one group, and so on. We can say, if I'll talk about the utensil which is kept in the kitchen, I'll make the different shelf of bowl, I'll make the different shapes of shelf of cup, I'll make the different shelf for the spoons, isn't it? So we are making what? We are making the materials, we are making the object groups on the basis of their uses. So till here I hope it is clear, and whatever the queries you are having, you all know that tomorrow, that is Thursday, we'll be having our live session. So let's start the activities which we have to perform. Okay, so let's start with the activity. I would like to tell you the activity 1 which is mentioned on page number A40. First of all, I would like to define you the activity which we have to do. In activity 1, there is some materials. Basically, they have given the columns and rows. What we have to do, they have written one side object के name they have mentioned, and in the another one what we have to write, which type of material. Might be one object can be made of different materials, so we have to write down the materials can be used for making those objects. Similarly in activity 2 it is different. In activity 2, different object of same material, the object name they have, the material name they have given, and we have to write down the object by which material, which different type of object we can make. Okay, so it is very simple. If you will see that, if I will say that there is written chair, if I will take the example of glass, okay, if I will take the example of glass, or if I will take the example of bowl. So as I have shown you, bowl can be steel, it can be ceramic, or it can be glass. Okay, similarly if I take the example of object cup, object का नाम क्या है? Cup. Now different type of material what it can be, we can say they can be ceramic, or we can say they can be, they can be of soil as well. We can use the soil for making the cups as well. So chair, for making chair, which type of chair you have seen? We have seen wood, लकड़ी के chair हो सकते हैं, plastic chairs can be there, and or different type of iron chair can be there, isn't it? Similarly clothes can be cotton, clothes can be woolen, clothes can be polyester, nylon, whatever. Similarly the other examples are there, like you can see it is written toys can be plastic, toys can be made from the wood toys can also be there. The soft toys which is made up of clothes also be there. Statues किस तरीके के हो सकते हैं? Statues can be ceramic, statues can be made up of bricks, it can be made up of soil, it can be made up of the candle mold as well. So these are such activity you can fill in your book as well. Okay. Now second activity, it is written here. It is written that one side material name, like it is written steel, cotton, leather, plastic. उन मटेरियल से हम कौन कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स को बना सकते हैं, दैट वी हैव टू राइट इन द अनदर कॉलम. So as example is here, steel we can make the machines, bridges, automobiles like car, vehicles, all the things we can make with the help of steel. Utensils we can make, the spoon, steel plates, etc. Now the second one, you are having the plastic material. So with the help of plastic we can make chair, we can make table, we can make door, we can make our pen, pencil, etc. we can make with the help of plastic. Now wood, with the help of wood, type of object what we can prepare? We can prepare door, we can prepare windows, and what else made up of wood? Or we can say that toys we can make the utensils of which is made by the wood. So this is basically very simple and very easy concept, that materials, objects around us, we are making the group according to their materials and according to uses. Okay, if I'll say again, for example, we are using the plastic bottles for keeping such like this cleansing agent, or we can say we are using the plastic bottle for keeping the sanitizers, we are using plastic bottles for putting the water, so many else. So we are using the materials according to their uses and we are making the object according to the uses. For example, अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ that I have to store the water in, okay, so I have to use the tumbler. Basically it is made up of steel, it is made up of plastic. Can we make the tumbler of clothes? No. Clothes, basically if we will put the water in clothes, so definitely all the water will come out. So on the basis of uses we have to choose the material for making the object. Till here we have to do this chapter, and other thing we will continue in other live sessions. So I hope it is clear to you all. If any doubt you are having, we will clear in the live session class, doubt classes, and till that, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye, see you in next class. Thank you.